Hello everybody, I'm Vibhuti Shahane. I have recently published a book, Love Polygon, Love Can Take Any Shape through Astitva Prakashan. So today I would like to take some time out to tell you about the publishing process. So when I wrote this fiction, I was not very sure if I wanted to publish it. But at the end of it, I fell in love with my story and I thought it was really necessary that it reaches out to as many youngsters as possible so that it gives a message to value relationships and not treat people like options, which is very rampant in today's times. So while I was looking for publishers, I had got all types of responses, negative responses mostly, from some regional publishers who said they don't publish English books, or some publishers told me that they will need to print at least 500 copies, and some told me that I will have to get ISBN on my own. They only have a printing press, and some told me that it will take 4 to 5 months for them to get my book published, because they are already working on a pile of other projects. So I was really disheartened because this was my first time, so I didn't really know what is the standard process, standard time, and what are the terms and conditions, how things work. But I kept doing some online research, through which I found Astitva Prakashan. I called on the number on their website, and in no time I got a call back. So they explained me the entire process very smoothly, and they also assigned me a dedicated relationship manager to look after my project, so that my project shouldn't get delayed because of their earlier pipelines or anything. So Aman, who was my relationship manager, was extremely helpful, very responsive, very kind, and definitely a great help. And in 3 weeks my book was on Amazon. So I had not expected it to be so smooth and so quick. To be honest, it was much better than my expectation. So if you see this book cover, they say don't judge a book by its cover, but if you were to judge my book by its cover, I think you would pass a good judgment of it. And along with that, we also have done some illustrations. So just to give you an example, these are the illustrations that we have included in the book. And also these illustrations are very fresh, young, and they add a lot of fun element to this book. So you won't believe, they took just one day to do this, all these illustrations as well as the cover page. While I have heard or read some other authors say that it took them a month to just decide that cover page. So such a phenomenal job in such a short period of time with such efficiency, such responsiveness, is highly commendable. And to my friends, author friends out there who are looking to publish their books, I would definitely recommend them to contact Astitva Prakashan and wish them all the best. Thank you.